Hello, my beautiful souls. This is a gentle, sacred womb healing meditation which is perfect for manifestation, fertility work, emotional release, divine feminine healing, and ancestral womb clearing. So, when you are ready, take a slow, soft breathe in and exhale, letting your entire body melt into relaxation. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw soften, let your heart open just a little more. Place your one hand on your lower belly, your womb space, the sacred portal of creation, intuition, and divine feminine power. Feel its warmth beneath your palm. Now, gently close your eyes and imagine a soft pink light glowing under your hand. This is the light of healing. This is the light of creation, the light of your sacred feminine energy. With every inhale, this pink light glows a brighter, little more brighter. With every exhale, it relaxes deeper into your womb. Your womb is listening. Your womb is awakening. Your womb is ready to heal. Now imagine your womb as a beautiful, glowing bowl of water. This water holds old pain, emotional memories, heartbreak, ancestral wounds, past disappointments, fears around love, intimacy, or fertility. You do not have to call the moments. Simply acknowledge that the womb remembers, and today she is ready to release. See the water in this bowl gently stirring. As it moves, heavy emotions rise to the surface like a dark mist. Breathe deeply and whisper internally, I release all energy that is not mine to carry, and watch the mist dissolve into a thin air, leaving the water clearer, lighter, and softer. Now bring your attention to a golden flame glowing in the center of your womb. This flame represents your ancestors, your mother line, the women who came before you, their strength, their untold stories. The golden flame expands, dissolving inherited fears, ancestral blocks, generational traumas, unspoken pain, and karmic patterns. Let the flame burn gently, not to hurt, but to purify. Your womb becomes a sanctuary of golden light, a lineage healed through you. Feel the golden flame now mixing with the pink light, creating a soft rose gold glow that fills your entire lower belly. This light represents softness, power, sensuality, intuition, fertility, creativity, and goddess energy. Whisper to yourself, my womb is sacred, my womb is powerful, my womb is healed. Feel the light spiral upwards from your womb to your heart, connecting your creation energy into your love energy. You are becoming whole again. See a stream of pure light descending from the universe, from your goddess energy, from Divine Mother, from infinite creation. This white light enters your crown chakra, flows down your spine, and settles into your womb, into your sacral chakra. Your womb begins to glow like a radiant sun, bright, warm, and alive. This is divine healing. This is divine blessing. And this is divine rebirth. Let the light rewire your cellular memory. Let it restore your hormonal harmony. Let it awaken your creative life force. Now, place your both hands over your womb. Feel the pulse beneath your palm. Feel the warmth. Feel the quiet power. Whisper, I honor my womb. I listen to her. I trust her. I thank her. Your womb responds with a soft wave of warmth as a gentle yes, a signal of gratitude, a promise of healing. Let this warmth spread through your entire aura, softening your energy, opening your soul, aligning with your divine feminine flow. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale softly. Bring your awareness back to your body, back to the room, back to the present moment. Whenever you are ready, gently open your eyes. You are healed. You are renewed. You are connected to your sacred feminine power. Your womb is light. Your womb is love. And your womb is ready.